वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्।
Candidates, attention, let's.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history. And I entertain. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all leaders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be a prosperity, a long life, my happiness.
Candidates, attention.
Sorry, flag.
a student of 10th grade, and today I am here to share some interesting facts about Independence Day. Number 1. India officially became independent at midnight when Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his famous Tryst with Dynasty speech. Number 2. Lord Mountbatten chose August 15 as Independence Day because it marked the second anniversary of Japan's surrender in World War II. Number 3. Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the national flag at Red Fort on August 16, 1947 rather than August 15. Number 4. India did not have an official national anthem on its first Independence Day. Jana Gana Mana was officially adopted in 1950. Number 5. Five other countries share August 15 as their Independence Day: South Korea, North Korea, Bahrain, Liechtenstein, and the Republic of the Congo. I hope you found these facts as interesting as I did. Thank you and everyone. Jai Hind.
Indian Government on Independence Day. Flag song.
भारत त्रिवर्ण पताकम रेखलिते लियो तेरे निशान की कपोतम रेखलिते लियो तेरे निशान की कपोतम मेरा भारत महान मेरा भारत महान मेरा भारत महान मेरा भारत महान तेरा लाली संगे लगे छपाई तेरा लगे हिंदू मुस्लिम नाइकेम చేసి సంగ్రామమునే సిద్ధం చేసి కులమత భేదమునే చెన భారతలో ఐక్యత పెంచగ కులమత భేదమునే చెన భారతలో ఐక్యత పెంచగ పరాయి భారతలోని స్వర్ణ శంఖం పూరించని ఇంగికేయనిగో భారతీయ పతాకం రెక్కలిప్పెనిదిగో తెల్లని శాంతిగా పోతం రెక్కలిప్పెనిదిగో తెల్లని శాంతిగా పోతం ఎల్లర రేఖల త్యాగం గుర్తుల కాషాయమే నిలిపి బాపు శాంతి మదిలో తల్లి శ్వేతరత్నములు మధ్యలో నిలిపి నెహ్రూ ఆశలు శ్వాసగా మార్చి ఆకుపచ్చని అడుగుల చేర్చి నెహ్రూ ఆశలు శ్వాసగా మార్చి ఆకుపచ్చని అడుగుల చేర్చి ధర్మ సాపరి కల రక్షణని అశోక చక్రం తనతో కలిపి నింగినదిగో భారత త్రివర్ణ పతాకం
Stop.
Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs.
పలుగురాళ్ళ పాడులని పోచమ్మ గుళ్ళు అవి గాడుగుల కంటే ఆ కంచె సేల నిలబడి కాలువకయ్యో నాపై పాట పడయ్యో పలుగురాళ్ళ పాడులని పోచమ్మ గుళ్ళు అవి గాడుగుల కంటే ఆ కంచె సేల నిలబడి కాలువకయ్యో నాపై పాట పడయ్యో పలుగురాళ్ళ పాడులని పలుగురాళ్ళ పాడులని పలుగురాళ్ళ
DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs.
అరే సమక సారక గజ్జలవి మెట్టిన చుడకవు నిలువెత్తు బంగారం ఆ బంగారాన్ని ముడుపు కట్టి మొక్కులు అయ్యో మన వాడరవయ్యో సమక సారక గజ్జలవి రచించిన చుడకవు నిలువెత్తు బంగారం ఆ బంగారాన్ని ముడుపు కట్టి మొక్కులు అయ్యో మన వాడరవయ్యో సమక సారక గజ్జలవి సమక సారక గజ్జలవి సమక సారక గజ్జలవి సమక సారక అగురాల పాడలవి పోచమ్మ గుళ్ళు అవి గానుగుల కంచె ఆ కంచె సేల నిలబడి కాలు నక్కయ్యో నాపై పాట పడయ్యో పలుగురాల పాడలవి పోచమ్మ గుళ్ళు అవి గానుగుల కంచె ఆ కంచె సేల నిలబడి కాలు నక్కయ్యో నాపై పాట పడయ్యో
Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs. Amulya DJ songs.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो जय हो सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी तारे नीले आसमान के तले शोपे गाने दे खाने दे रहने दे
ahora conmigo tú baila para hoy por nuestro día te olvidas los problemas lo que sea salud baila baila
जय हो जय हो चख ले हाँ चख ले ये रात शहद है चख ले रख ले हाँ दिल है दिल आखिरी हद है रख ले काला काला काजल तेरा कोई काला जादू है ना काला काला काजल तेरा कोई काला जादू है ना राजा राजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो कब से हाँ कब से जो लब पे रुकी है कह दे हाँ कह दे अब आँख झुकी है कह दे ऐसी ऐसी रोशन आंखें रोशन दो दो हीरे है क्या राजा राजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा
सारी वाली नीले आसमान के तले शोपे गाने
नया हिंदुस्तान है। ये हिंदुस्तान घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी।
आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है। आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है।
A very happy Independence Day to you all, dear students. Are you all happy today? Are you all excited to watch the errors? Well, dear students, so today we all have gathered together to celebrate not only the freedom of our country, we are here to honor the courage of our freedom fighters. They have fought against the British and they got freedom for our nation. Yes. Do you know all the freedom fighters' names? Do you know? Well, okay, before we could start our celebration, we'll have the welcome ceremony. After that, the complete program will be taken ahead by our anchors from 9th standard.
Invite sir and all. He'll sit there only, just invite.
Freedom is not merely a gift, but a responsibility that we should carry forward. A very warm and patriotic morning to every one of you. It gives me immense pleasure and a profound sense of pride to welcome you all to this grand celebration of the spirit of freedom, unity and patriotism. Today, as our school and our nation proudly celebrates the 80th Independence Day, we gather not merely to commemorate the historic moment, but to honor the courage of our freedom fighters, the sacrifices of our heroes, and the dreams of a nation that chose freedom over fear, unity over division.
Make it brief.
I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our sir, esteemed director sir, a guiding force who strategic vision, exemplary leadership and relentless pursuit of excellence continue to inspire the entire institution. Sir, your commitment
Boys, keep quiet.
to the transform vision into action and challenges into opportunities continues to inspire every member in our school fraternity.
Sir, quick sir, make it.
Next, I would like to welcome our administrative officer whose meticulous coordination, administrative acumen and tireless commitment ensure that the wheels of our institution continue to move with efficiency and purpose. Welcome you, ma'am. Next, a very warm welcome to our esteemed coordinating officers and all the teachers whose diligence, organizational excellence and behind the scenes dedication, contribution significantly to the successful education of every initiative and event. Your teachers, your efforts often remain out of the spotlight, but their impact is unmistakable. Next, I would like to welcome the heartbeats of this celebration and the bright future of this nation, and they are none other than our dear students. A happy welcome to you, dear students. And I would like to welcome our loving parents too, who have found time in spite of their busy schedule, and they have come here to witness the great talents of our school. Welcome, dear parents. Then last but not the least, I would like to welcome all our wonderful talented students, those who are going to make us happy by the wonderful performances. So let us give a big round of applause to all our students and welcome. Once again, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this grand celebration of our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
the first. A mother is the first guide and the greatest blessing in our life. Her love and care are priceless. Let's enjoy this beautiful and heart-touching performance. Now invite our students. Give them a big round of applause.
Guys, keep quiet. Start.
The dancer filled the stage with elegance, energy and joy. Give them with a big round of applause.
It's a proud moment for our Nehru English Medium High School. A student of Nehru English Medium High School has brought great pride to the school, her parents and Banaganpalli by showing outstanding talent in karate at the national level. On June 28 at the Gandamaneni Shivaya Bhavan, Bairagi Patteda, Tirupati, during the Karate Association of India, Andhra Pradesh State Level Selection Championships, she secured the Sriditya first place in the Sub-Junior Girls 40 kg Kumite category and was selected for the National Championship. Please give them a big round of applause. kg Kumite category and secured first place, winning the gold medal. So everyone give claps to her, Sriditya.
समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको देते कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलू का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू हिंदुस्तानी, सच्चे लाल टोपी से फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू हिंदुस्तानी, सच्चे लाल टोपी से फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। आजा जिंदुशान के तले, आजा जलीलाने नीले आसमान के तले। चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज जीवलाम, सत्य श्यामलाम मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ये देश
Nation, one heartbeat. On one side, children are preparing to celebrate Independence Day. They are decorating classrooms, practicing patriotic songs, and waiting for a holiday. On another side, far away from their families, some brave soldiers prepare for another night of duty. On one side, celebrates freedom, another protect it.
Good morning, children. Tomorrow is Independence Day. Before we celebrate, I want to ask a simple question. What is freedom?
Ma'am, freedom means we can live without fear. We can go to school. We can follow our dreams.
Excellent answer, Asha. Very thoughtful. Now, Rahul.
Freedom means no homework, no classes, a holiday, a lot of selfies.
Is that all?
What else, ma'am? We come, we salute the flag, listen to the speeches, eat sweets, then go home. A lot of selfies.
Yeah, Rahul, you forgot one thing. You will also post. Rahul, you forgot one thing.
What?
You will also post your photo on social media.
Of course, otherwise how will people know that I attended the program?
Rahul, Independence Day is not about posting photos. It is about remembering sacrifices.
Rahul, by the end of tomorrow, I hope your answer will change. In the classroom, the children were counting the hours until the celebration. Far away at the border, a soldier was counting the hours until his next mission. One was waiting for holiday, the other was preparing to protect.
Night falls quietly, the mountains grow colder, the wind becomes stronger. Yet one thing never changes, a soldier's love for his family. After a long time, Captain Arjun finally finds a few moments to call home. Hello Arjun, my son, how are you?
I am fine, ma. How are you?
I am fine now that I have heard your voice. Did you eat dinner?
Ma, you always ask the same question first.
Because you will always be my little boy. Now answer me, did you eat or not?
Yes, ma. I had dinner. Sometimes the biggest lie is spoken out of love. A soldier has his anger, so his mother can sleep peaceful.
Hello Neha, guess what?
You got first hand?
No, guess again.
Then you broke another 4 part.
No, I won the first prize in the Independence Day speech competition.
Really? That's wonderful. What did you speak about?
I said soldiers protect our country so children can sleep peacefully. Everybody clap, even my principal.
I am proud of you, very proud.
When are you coming home? We all miss you.
Soon, very soon.
Don't forget, my birthday next month. You promised to bring me a watch.
Not just a watch, I will bring you 2 gifts.
Really? What are they?
1, your beautiful watch. 2, your favorite color dress.
I will be waiting. Arjun, take care of yourself.
I will, ma. Good night.
Good night, brother. Good night, my son.
The call lasted only a few minutes, but those few minutes carried a lifetime of love. A mother heard her son's smile, but not his hidden worry. A father heard confidence, but not the danger waiting ahead. A little sister heard promise, without knowing how precious had become. For a soldier, every phone call home is special, because no one knows when it might be the last.
The phone call has just ended, but a soldier's duty has just begun. While millions of families sleep peacefully, the guardians of our nation remain above. Tonight, another mission awaits them.
Captain, the weather is getting worse. Visibility is very low.
Good. Darkest may hide us to stay alert. Tonight we move not with fear, but with responsibility. Captain, the odds are being with the mission beings in 5 minutes. It may be dangerous. If I return, I will embrace my family. If I don't tell them, I kept to my promise. I protected my mother, my India and my family. No soldiers walks into duty wishing to become a hero. He simply walks forward because someone has to. The night grows darker, the mission begins, and somewhere a classroom waits for the sunrise and way of the sacrifice being made for his tomorrow.
Morning arrives, sun rises over a free India. Children wear clean white uniform. Teacher decorates the stage with tricolor flower. But somewhere a family waits for a phone call that will never come.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. Today we proudly celebrate the freedom of our nation. But freedom is not just a gift from history. It provided every single day by brave men and women who stand on our borders far away from their families. As students of Nehru English Medium High School, our duty is to become honest, disciplined and responsible citizens. Let us hoist our national flag with pride.
School, attention. Standard is attention.
Sir, please. Salute the flag. Order. Song.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Children, before we continue our celebration, I have something important to share. Last night, Captain Arjun and the Indian Army and his team successfully protected our nation. During a difficult mission, Captain Arjun displayed exceptional courage and leadership. In the line of duty, he made the supreme sacrifice for our nation.
Yesterday I said Independence Day was only a holiday. I laughed, I complained about the speeches. I cared only sweets and selfies. But while I was sleeping, Captain Arjun was standing awake. While I was dreaming, he was protecting my dream. He spoke to his mother. He smiled at a little sister. He promised to come home. But instead, he gave his tomorrow. I am sorry. I understand freedom is not free.
Rahul, the best way to honor Captain Arjun is not by crying. It is about changing ourselves. Let us become students who respect our parents and our teachers, work hard, speak the truth and serve our country in every way we can. A soldier never asks to be remembered. He only hopes that the nation he protects will remain united, peaceful and proud. We cannot all become soldiers, but we can become responsible citizens.
We promise to respect our parents, to honor our teachers,
To study sincerely, to protect our environment,
To help those in need.
to love our country and it make Nehru English Medium High School and India proud.
Captain Arjun, you kept your promise to India. We will make our promise to you. We will never forget your sacrifice.
The greatest tribute to our heroes. It is not our applause. It is the life we choose to live. It is guarded by someone's courage, someone's sacrifice, someone's duty. Let us honor them, not only today, but every day.
भारत माता की वंदे मातरम. जय हिंद.
స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నా
యుగయుగాల చరిత మనది.
दुनिया कभी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है नहीं सौ दुनिया घुमा के नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पा दिल लाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही मान मुझे सलाम मान मुझे सलाम मान मुझे सलाम Bye. रोशन की खुशियों में, मेलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, सारा आज भर बार बार कर ले रहना मजाल पीछे कितना भी कोई भी बस है जिद है तो जिद है किसना नहीं किसना नहीं किसना नहीं मस्ती है कोई तो चल जिद पड़िए तुम बेचारी गई क्या करिए हाँ कोई तो चल जिद पड़िए तुम बेचारी गई क्या करिए
పరాయి పాలనపై కాలు తువ్వి కొమ్ములు విదిలించిన కోడిగిత్తల్లాంటి అమరవీరులైన సత్తువ ఉరిమితే నెత్తురు మరిగితే సత్తువ ఉరిమితే ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೋಡೆ ಸಿರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡೆ ರಕ್ತನ ಬಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರಾಯಲ ಸೀಮಾ ಕೋಡೆ ಸತ್ತುವ ಗುರಿಬಿಗೆ की थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसों जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो फूके लाल लहू के ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोह मोह में बसंती यार मोह मोह में बसंती मोह मोह गुरु 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 में बसंती मोह रंग में बसंती बसंती रंग में बसंती मोह रंग में बसंती बसंती रंग में बसंती सपने रंग दे अपने रंग दे खुशियां रंग दे रंगी रंग दे कसमें रंग दे फसलें रंग दे धड़कन रंग दे धड़कन रंग दे सूरत रंग दे धड़कन मोह मोह रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती थोड़ी सी भूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़े से धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़े से खुशबू बारी से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी ढूंढने वाली धक 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 सांसों जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू के ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोह मोह में बसंती यारो मोह मोह में बसंती
What an energetic performance.
बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। चलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अब निशान है। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अब निशान है। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Wow, what a graceful performance!
Respondents sir, Ravi sir, principal sir, AO ma'am, teachers, lovely parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. Welcome to the Independence Day group discussion by the students of Nehru English Medium High School. Today's topic is what does independence means to us. I repeat it, what does independence means to us. Let's begin. For me, independence means freedom. Freedom to learn, freedom to dream, freedom to speak, but this freedom was not free. Many brave freedom fighters sacrificed their life so that we could live in free India. I agree. Whenever I think of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai and Subhash Chandra Bose, I feel thankful. They fought with courage. Today, we don't have to fight with weapons. We have to fight against ignorance, laziness and dishonesty. That's an interesting point. So what is the responsibility of students like us? Our classroom is our battlefield. Our books are our weapons. Our teachers are our guides. If we study sincerely and become good citizens, we will make India stronger. I would also like to connect with our school. We are proud students of Nehru English Medium High School. Every morning our teachers teach us discipline, respect, kindness and confidence. These values help us to become a responsible citizen of India. A good school builds a good nation. Wonderful! But is patriotism shown only on Independence Day? No, patriotism shown every day. When we keep our classroom clean, when we respect our parents and teachers, when we help our friends, when we protect trees and waters, that is real patriotism. Before we conclude, one final question. What kind of India do we want to see in the future? We dream of an India that is educated, clean, honest, peaceful, united and full of opportunities. We also dream that Nehru English Medium High School will continue to doctors, teachers, scientists, soldiers and leaders who proudly serve our nation. Thank you everyone. Today we learned that independence not only about
दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा। हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जब ये भला या बुरा। जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी। दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान साफ कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, शिमले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, मिल पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
What an energetic and outstanding performance.
చిబోసి చిరునవ్వురా దాస్య సంకెళ్ళు చించిందిరా, ఈ చండ అమరుల విశ్వాసరా రక్త తిలకాలు దిద్దిందిరా, వీర స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట తొలి పిలుపురా, మన పెరలేని త్యాగాల ఘన చరితరా, తన తనుపాలతో నోరు నేర్పిందిరా, మరి పుయ్యల్ని పుయ్యాల చేసిందిరా, ఆ తెల్లోడి గుండెల్ని తొలి చేసిన అమ్మురా. జెండ పసిబోసి చిరునవ్వురా రస సంకెళ్ళు తెంచిందిరా, ఈ జెండ అమరుల విశ్వాసరా రక్త తిలకాలు దిద్దిందిరా. సంస్థానికి జ్ఞానానికి ఆది గురువురా మన దేశం, మానవాళికి వైతాళిక గీతం రా భారతం, ధర్మానికి సత్యానికి జన్మభూమిరా మన దేశం, ఎన్నో మతాల సహజీవన సూత్రం రా భారతం. ఆ దైవం మన కోసం సృష్టించే ఈ స్వర్గం, శిఖరాలు పోసింది ఆ తల్లినా, తన దేహాన్ని ధైర్యాన్ని పంచిందిరా, మనమేమిస్తే తీరేను మారునమురా, ఇక మనకేమి ఇచ్చిందనరగొద్దురా, భారతీయులుగా పుట్టాము ఈ జన్మకిది చాలురా.
What a mark. Honorable and respected dignitaries, directors, administrative officers, CEOs, teachers, and my dear parents, friends, a very good morning to all. Welcome to Nehru English Medium High School Independence Day special talk show. Today's program is called Meet the Heroes of India. Let's welcome them with your big round of applause. Welcome Mahatma Gandhi, what is your one message you would like to give to the students?
My dear children, truth and kindness never become old. Always speak the truth. Respect everyone. Real strength comes from the good character.
Thank you, Bapu. Bhagat Singh, students admire your courage. What does the courage mean today?
Today courage means standing against bullying, helping someone who is treated unfairly and doing what is right even when it is difficult. Every student can be brave.
Rani Lakshmibai, what would you like to say our girls and boys?
I believe that fear should never control our decision. So believe in yourself. Education has no gender. Dream big, work hard, serve your country with confidence and honesty.
Sir, you inspired millions of students. What is your advice to the students of Nehru English Medium High School?
Dream, but remember, dreams become reality only through hard work. Read every day, ask questions, never stop learning. The future of India is sitting in your classroom. May I ask one final question, please? What is the greatest gift students can give India on Independence Day? Truth, courage, confidence, knowledge.
Dear friends, our heroes have shown us that patriotism is not only about remembering history. It is about learning with honesty, living with honesty, learning with dedication, and serving our nation every day. As a student of Nepal and our country proud. Dream big,
Land well, serve India. Jai Hind.
Ready, boys?
Officer, ma'am, teachers and students, good morning to all. So now, today, first of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. So this is the 18th Independence Day we are celebrating in our school. So this is a this day means independence not came easily. So our freedom fighters fought and sacrificed their life for us. Today we are very happy because of the leaders, the greatest leaders. We remember like Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh. These are all the greatest leaders in India. They also sacrificed their life for us. This is like a festival. In India, have so many different type of religious festivals is there, but these type of festivals are very, very, very happiest festivals. These festivals is called national festivals. Our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi also started so many movements like Champaran movements, civil disobedience movements, and Dandi March and Salt Satyagraha, and also not only Gandhiji, Indian followers, like Gandhiji started movements, all Indians also participated in these movements, and they also sacrificed their life for us. So every students, don't forget them, because of these leaders are God-like. So this is remember our leaders. This day we are celebrating not only in our schools, every department, every revenue department, police department, education department also, every citizen of India celebrating these type of festivals. So, so in the year 1947, before we are also depending upon the Britishers government. At that time, we are also facing so many problems. But our leaders also fight the Britishers rulers, and then in the year 1947, August 15th, we got Independence Day. So every student, we respect our national leaders, we respect our elders, we respect our rulers also. So don't forget them. I wish you, once again, I wish you happy Independence Day. Madam, I will sing one Pallavi and Charan. Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
What a marvelous speech. A children's first school is the life. The second is the classroom. And the large classroom is India. Our primary students are now ready to share their thoughts on three important parts of their lives. My family, my school, my India. Let's welcome our young speakers.
Ravi, what are you making? Mom, tomorrow is Independence Day at Nehru English Medium High School. Our teachers asked us to tell what independence means, but I don't know how to explain it. Freedom means that you go to school safely, learn happily, and dream without fear. Every morning when I send you to school with a smile, I thank God that we live in a free India. Ravi, may I tell you something? Yes, Dad. Do you know how to save India? Should I become a soldier? Maybe one day. But today finish your homework, respect your teachers, help your friends, keep your school clean. Every good habit builds a great nation. Ravi, when I was 8, my grandfather told me stories of brave freedom fighters. Today I want to tell my grandchildren stories of honest students. Study well, make your parents proud, make your study, make your school proud, make India proud. Okay, Grandma. Children, when I see the national flag, I don't just see three colors. I see the sacrifices of millions of Indians. Always salute it with respect. Oh yes, Grandpa. Brother, can I ask one question? Yes, of course. Does the national flag, when we forget it after Independence Day? The national flag smiles every day when we are honest, kind and helpful. Welcome children to Nehru English Medium High School. Tell me, what did your family teach you about Independence Day? My mother taught me that freedom is a blessing. Oh, nice. My father taught me that discipline is patriotism, and my grandmother to remember our freedom fighters. Wow. My grandfather taught me to respect our national flag. My little sister reminded me that patriotism is not only for one day. Super children, I am proud of all of you. A school becomes great when its students practice good values. A nation becomes great when its school build good citizens. I hope every student of Nehru English Medium High School will become a responsible Indian. My family teach me love. My school teaches me knowledge. My country gives me freedom. Together they make me who I am. We promise to respect our parents, to obey our teachers, to keep our school clean, to love our country, and make Nehru English Medium High School and India proud. Jai Hind. It is the marking of Independence Day at Nehru English Medium High School. The school is decorated with tricolor flag. Teachers are preparing for the celebrations. Students are excited, but one student does not understand why this day is so special. Hooray! Today there are no classes, only sweets and celebrations. Mahira, Independence Day is not just about sweets. It is about saying thank you to the people who made India free. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our class. Nice to see you again. Good morning, children. Children, do you know why our school is called Nehru English Medium High School? Do you know, children? No, ma'am. Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru believed that children are the future of India. He loved children so much that lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. If you become honest, disciplined and educated, you will make both your school and your country proud. Hello my dear children, I am happy to see your smiling faces. Always remember the future of India is sitting in our classrooms like yours. Study well, play well, respect your teachers and help your friends. Dream big, one day you will become doctors, teachers, scientists, soldiers and leaders. India needs every one of you.
కిరణం సూర్యుడై ఆవేశం గుండెల్లో అరుణం ఒక వీరుడై హక్కున ప్రళయించినప్పుడు వచ్చిందొక విప్లవం దిక్కును జ్వలించి తెచ్చి ఇచ్చింది స్వరాజ్యం అందుకే అందుకే జనగణమన జయ హే జనగణమన జనయిత్రీ నా భరత భూమి పరమాక్షర గాయత్రి నా పుణ్యభూమి యశస్సుకే హిమాలయం ఉషస్సులై మరోతరం స్వర్ణాక్షర చరిత్రనే సృష్టించిన ఈ భూమి వందే మాతరం వందే వందే మాతరం ఎందరో శివమెత్తిన రుద్రులై మరెందరో తలయించిన శక్తులై ఎందరో శివమెత్తిన రుద్రులై మరెందరో తలయించిన శక్తులై ఉరుపెత్తిన నెత్తులు ఉప్పెన సృష్టిస్తే పడగెత్తిన దొరపాదన ప్రభుత్వాలు వస్తే పొయ్యల సాగాలకు 1000 జన్మలొస్తే ఉజ్వల భవిష్యత్తు నీకు కొత్త వెలుగునిస్తే తెలుసని స్వరాజ్యం గుండె బరువు కాదా వచ్చిన ఈ స్వరాజ్యమే వ్యర్థమైపోదా ఆ సత్యాగ్రహ స్వరాజ్య సంరక్షణ ఇది కాదా వందే మాతరం వందే
Wow, what a fantastic performance! Give them with a big... Good afternoon and happy Independence Day to you all. We are from 6th grade. Today we are going to present a role play of the lost national flag. My name is Vanilla and my role is narrator.
My name is Nityasha and my role is national flag.
My name is Shoya. My role is watchman. My name is Parvez. My role is Ravi. My name is Shamini. My role is Rani. My name is Tanushree. My role is student number 1. My name is Aikaran and my role is student number 2. My name is Yamokshasri and my role is student number 3. My name is Aisha and my role is principal. My name is Mokshita and my role is teacher. It is the afternoon of Independence Day at Nehru English Medium High School. The students are ready for the flag hoisting. Suddenly, children, the national flag is missing. Let us search it near the playground. I will check the library. I searched everywhere.
Don't worry, nobody stole me. I came here to ask you one question. Do you remember me only on Independence Day or every day?
We should remember you every day. By respecting our parents. By keeping our school clean. By studying sincerely at Nehru English Medium High School. The national flag is not just a piece of cloth. It is the symbol of peace, courage and unity. We promise to respect our flag, our school and our country. Jai Hind! Your energy and confidence are
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो सच्ची मिल जाए हमारी है नच नच कोई ना मेरा हाथ बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुरा दी दिल दिल दारे नहीं उंगली बनाई है
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले
जय हो
शबे हो
जय हो जय हो जय हो
Ahora conmigo tú para hoy por nuestro día te olvidas más problemas lo que sea. ¡Salud! ¡Hala,
जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो
Ready? Attention! National anthem. जनगण जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधितरंगा सब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष समागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे I love you, sir. I love you, children.